Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And if I can find the individual items in the box, I will also link those down below as well in case you just want a few things but not the whole box, alright? So let's go ahead, open this up and see what we got. And again, in case you're new to this box, this is jewelry grade cording that they use on this box. I love that they do this because I can recycle it. It is waxed cotton cord. Alright? And I have used that several times in tutorials in the past. I think I really used it a lot in bracelets. So if you go to my YouTube channel, go to playlists, go to bracelets, you'll see it there. Alright? Okay, let's see. We have a little note here, looks like. It says, "Dear crafters, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Please use the coupon Merry Beads," and that's all capital letters, Merry Beads, in January 2026 for a 20% discount on orders over 40 at our store, www.craftica.shop. And right there is the website. I'll link it down below in the description bar. This offer is valid from January 1st to January 31st, 2026. We wish you warmth, comfort, health, and endless inspiration from the bottom of our hearts. May your home always be filled with harmony, and may your creative process bring you joy and satisfaction. With best wishes, Natalie, Anna, and Craftica team. That's cute. Okay. And then, right here, there's your pet. Oh, here it is. Okay. So there's a code on here. This is a piece of paper. On the other side, there is a special code that will take you to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the pieces in this box to make a necklace and bracelet, or sometimes it's a necklace and earrings. And we've actually had, I think one year, it was like 2 or 3 necklaces. We've had a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. Usually at this time of the year, they'll do something extra fancy for this box. And I totally forgot that this was the Christmas box. I did not think about it at all. So it's a happy surprise. Alright. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, it is so pretty! Look at that. So I've used these settings before. There was, I would have to do a screenshot of it. There was a pair of earrings I made. I called it Emerald City, and they were teardrop stones. They were set like this in a setting like this, 2-hole setting, but I stitched them in the teardrops into a pair of earrings. I'll put a picture up in case you don't know what I'm talking about. Right? So that is amazing. Look at that. It's so fiery. Beautiful. How exciting. I didn't know they had these on the site. I don't know what they're called. Alright, I'll put that in the bag. Okay. And I'll move that out of the way. And let's see, we got bead stringing wire. We got, these are called, where'd my scooper go? These are called Orion beads. Oh, I just have this, but it's shiny. Alright, so these are cool. I did use these for weaving. I think I did. I've made so many things, it's hard to remember these days. They're really cool. I like them a lot. Okay, oh, and did you guys see my last or recent tutorial, the bracelet that I did? I'll put a picture up. There was 2 bracelets that I actually did. One was the quatrefoil bracelet, and the other one was the netting bracelet. So I'll have pictures for both tutorials in case you missed them. Alright, so we have melon beads now. These are Aztec Gold, 6mm size. Okay. And then crimp beads. Wire guards. I actually got this box late, by the way. I got it yesterday. What's today? Today is the 7th. I got it on the 6th. I usually get it really early, but for some reason it was kind of late. These are teardrops. I have never seen these before. They are faceted. They look like they're crystal Picasso, but they have a silver wash on them. They look really cool. They kind of have an organic look to them. Like they're gemstones. Those are neat. And there's a bunch of them. I'll let you see it in the tray in case it looks different. Pretty cool. Okay. And then, ooh, I love these. I look at the other side like it's going to tell me what the color is. I don't know what this is. But you got to look at it on that white background there. Part of me wants to say that it's smoky, like quartz color with an AB on it, but no, it's something else. I've never seen it before. It should tell me on the website, so I'll put the code in. And it should take me there because that is a number that they usually have available. Those are pretty. Look at them. It's bizarre. I don't know what that color is. Really pretty though. It has AB on it, I can tell you that much. But I don't know if that's like a... I want to say I've got AB gray in the past. Like a smoky quartz, but it does not look like that. That looks different to me. Okay, and then... Ooh, I like these. What was that noise? Look, my dog fell off the bed, but I don't think he's in here. These are like saucers. I have these in my stash in silver, antique silver color. I think I also have them in antique brass. They're little saucers, spacer beads. We have the lobster claw clasp, 2 of them. What? Oh, it's a different color. I thought it was the same color. I'm like, did Jake give me an extra bag? Because this has happened. I've gotten extra beads. Not in this box. I think it's a $1 bead box. I've gotten like an extra strand here or there. Or an extra bag of beads. So that one is... Oh, it's silver and this is gold. I see. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is like crystal Picasso. So it's clear bead with Picasso finish on it. And it's called Picasso, but it actually looks like travertine, but it's Picasso. On a lot of the clear Picasso, like the 8mm ducks, 6.2, you'll see the bluish brown or the bluish green spots. But this has a gold wash over it, and this one here has a silver wash. So I'll hold that up so you can see, because they do look different. Okay, back in the baggie. And then we have 6mm jump rings. And we have, oh my gosh, are these the dichroic? I know that they're not actually dichroic. One time I got dichroic colored Czech beads, and there was a person that's like pitching a fit saying that is not dichroic. The color is dichroic. There is a color that's called dichroic in Czech beads. No, I think it is. Actually, this is gold and the rainbow. This is a 2-tone bead. The bead is actually crystal clear. If you put it under light, you'll see that. My battery's dying. Let's see if I can show you. The bead is actually clear. You see the light going through it right there. Yeah, the bead is clear. I can really see it on this one. But they put a plating over it, and with this one, the plating on one side is gold. You can really see it on this bead. And the other side is that rainbow color, or dichroic. I think it's called that. Anyways, they're gorgeous. I've gotten these only in the past in a 3mm bead. I've never got them in bigger sizes. But they're very pretty. And the dichroic color I'm talking about, I've seen that on flowers in the BohemStyle box. Okay, we got, I think they're spacer beads. Yeah. Those look like spacer beads. 3mm. We have extender chain. I don't know how many's in there. Maybe 2, probably. We have 4mm Czech melons. They're so cute. There's a lot of them. Oh boy, that's a lot. Those are nice. I like that size. I usually get melon beads at bigger sizes, but I like that smaller size. And then, what is this? Crimp covers. 2 of them. Okay. Oh, it's another stone. What color is it? Is it the same color? It's smaller. It's a Rivoli. That one has a flat top. That one right there. This one's a Rivoli. Look at that. It still has that fiery gold color to it. That is so pretty. 2 holes in the finding there. That's beautiful. I love that. So I wonder how it's going to be used. Will it be in a bracelet and a necklace? Because there's 2 of them. What's this? What's last? Oh, this is the one. Is it called California? I'm not sure. It's been a while. It's silver on one side and gold on the other side. So it's actually like those. Okay. Yeah, I get this in a 3mm. A few times I've gotten it. They're pretty. Alright. So that is it. This is everything we are getting in this box. Remember, I'm going to have a picture at the beginning and end of this video of what all of this looks like put together. I have no idea at this time what it's going to look like. So yeah, you will see pictures at the beginning and the end of the video of what this project looks like. Now remember, don't forget, there is a coupon in this box. We only get this once a year. Okay? And I don't think we actually got it last year. And again, the coupon is Merry Beads, all capital letters. And it's for January 2026 for 20% off. Orders over 40 at www.crafticashop.com. I will have the website in the description bar. If you want, you can pause here and read it if you feel like you need to. Alright, so I'm going to link this BohemStyle box in the description bar in case you want it. And I'm also going to link the individual items here if I can find them. And this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this box opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.